You gotta try them. 1. Mix Coke with laundry detergent. Say goodbye to black mold. 2. Add dish soap to Coke. Shake well. Spray it on kitchen grease. Wipe lightly and it's like new. 3. Got grime in your kettle? Pour Coke into the kettle and boil it. The kettle will look brand new. 4. Mix Coke with toothpaste and stir well. Spray it on rust and wipe it off easily. 5. Don't panic if gum gets stuck in your hair. Pour Coke into a container. The gum will come off effortlessly. 6. Put a rusty wrench in a cup. Pour Coke over it and let it sit for 30 minutes. Take it out and wipe it with a towel. Good as new. 7. Gum stuck to your shoe sole is hard to remove. Just rinse it with Coke. Peel it off easily without a trace. 8. Mix Coke with white vinegar in a cup. Soak rusty scissors in it for a bit. Wipe with a cloth and they're spotless. 9. The bottom of your cooking pot always has stubborn grime. Squeeze in some toothpaste, add salt, baking soda, vinegar. Mix with Coke and dish soap for a while. Wipe it clean and it's like new. 10. Mix Coke with laundry powder. Shake well. Spray it on toilet stains. Yellow stains and odors disappear instantly.